Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Exercise number 10. Now, so far as agricultural production is concerned, agricultural production cannot pick up without proper land reforms. Unfortunately, according to the economic survey of this year, land reforms have been neglected. But the economic survey of 1985 and 1986 said that the land reforms were very essential for rural reconstruction. I hope that the planning minister will pay adequate attention to the question of land reforms. So far as land reforms and agricultural production are concerned, in agricultural production, in spite of our difficulties, we are ahead of China. China's growth of farm output is not even 2.5%. Perhaps it is a mere 2%, but our growth in farm output is about 3%. Therefore, we are ahead of China, but in other matters, China is ahead of us. But there is no reason why we should not excel them. Therefore, when we face these difficulties, we have to see how we can rectify them. Now, on the question of self-reliance, in recent times, due to the absence of the planning minister or due to some other distortions, there has been a backsliding, and it seems that we have lost faith in the Swadeshi spirit, in the spirit that we Indian people can stand on our own. Therefore, not much of foreign aid is there, and foreign aid has increased to rupees 800 crores or so, and aid from the International Monetary Fund is about 540 crores. This type of reliance, too much reliance on foreign aid and assistance, will not make our nation grow. Therefore, sir, I hope that the public sector, in which we have invested about 15,000 crores of rupees, should have the surplus. If we have to have a proper planning, we must have a proper approach towards the management as well as towards the workers. When we industrialize, when we nationalize an industry, when we socialize an industry, it is not an institutional change. There should not only be an institutional change, but there should also be a psychological change. You cannot have planning without the planning ethos, the planning psychology, the spirit of work hard, the spirit of discipline, the sense of dedication to the nation, and a sense of and passion for justice. Therefore, institutional change, attitudinal change, and psychological change go along with the planning mechanism and the planning, and unless we can make everybody feel that when we nationalize an industry, it belongs to the nation and that it must produce surpluses and that it must not create losses. We cannot succeed because those surpluses will generate capital for further investment, for further production, and for further employment. Thank you.